Hey guys, what's up? I'm gonna do a quick little review on this hitch clamp brand anti-hitch rattle thing. It is, my hitch was driving me crazy. All hitches do, and I've tried a bunch of them. This one works awesome. But basically, everybody knows, been going down the road and you're hearing that crap. It's annoying. So I was like, how can I fix that? Well, I tried one of them rubber silencer pads or something. No, that ain't no good. This right here, it's the hitch clamp is what it is. Anti-rattle hitch clamp. It says hitch clamp brand. So I got it on Amazon Prime, sent it here 2 days. I'll put a link to it at the end of this video in the description, but I kind of want to show you how this thing works. So, bam. Basically, now this is about a 70 pound hitch. It's a bulletproof hitch, baddest hitch on the market, but I did another video on that. So it slides on like that, okay? Stick it in there like that. And then you're gonna get, I don't have a socket big enough right now to get that or to tighten this all the way, so put it up like that, screw this bottom bolt in, okay? Screw it in as good as you can, and then tighten it with either a socket, crescent wrench, open-end wrench, whatever. So tighten that, and then this little set bolt right here, you bring that to the top, and keep it tight. That basically won't let the bolt loosen with the rattle. It keeps it tight too. So now it's on, and I mean 100 times better. Anyway, just thought I'd do a quick little review on that. I got it on Amazon. I think it was like 25 bucks, 29 bucks or something. Got it in 2 days. But it has saved my sanity, so I thought I'd do a review on it real quick. But look, if you like this video and it was helpful to you, please like and subscribe. I'm trying to grow my channel, and as always, God bless. Appreciate you. I didn't have my hitch lock in here, so I redid everything, put the hitch lock in, and it allowed me to get this a little tighter. So now I'm going to want to show you. It did make a little rattle when I finished the video. Then I redid it because I had to put this on. I'm going to show you now. There's no rattle. Come on, get with it. I mean, that's quiet. It ain't rattling at all. Keep your sanity on bumpy roads, hunting clubs, gravel roads, your driveway, whatever. It's 100 times better. Appreciate y'all.